Welcome back everyone. In this video we will learn about the scatter plots. The scatter plots are used to study relationship between two measures. They are very powerful charts because they allow you to slice and dice the data across in several different ways. The scatter plots are very simple to set up. You can go to show me. It will ask you for two or more measures. Where's the scatter plot? There it is. It's asking for 2 to 4 measures and 0 or more dimensions. By the way, it's not necessary to always use the show me option. I have created this course for complete beginners to Tableau. That's why I'm assuming a lot of my students will be using Tableau for the first time. That's why I was using the show me option in the last few videos. However, if you know how to create the charts, you can just simply do it by dragging the fields to the respective shells. So let me just do it that way for this example. I'll drag the sales to the columns and I'll drag the profit to the rows. Had I used the show me option, it would have done the same thing. It would have given us this visualization. Now, right now, it's aggregating or summing up the total sales and total profit and giving us 1 point on the graph. Basically, the total sales are 2.3 million for the last 4 years and profit is 292. But the reason why scatter plots are very helpful is that they can help you slice and dice your product or your categories. So let's say I want to break this dot down by categories or subcategories. I'll drag the subcategory into the detail card. That will break it down into lots of subcategories. I'll hide the show me. So if I hover my mouse on top of the individual data points, it will show me which subcategory does the data point relate to. Now, if I want to change the shape of the marks, I can go and let's say select circle. I can also tweak the size a little bit, maybe make it slightly bigger. All right, that is fine. And to make the chart more easily understandable, I can put the subcategory into the colors card. That way it will show each and every subcategory with a different color and it will give us the color code on the side. Also, you can go down all the way to the product level. It's not necessary to just stick to the subcategory. For example, I can drag the product name to the details card instead of subcategory. Now, there are two ways. I can drag it to the details card, or I can just drop the product name field on top of the subcategory, and that will break the chart or break all the points down into products. So what's great about scatter plot is that using this chart, you can have a bird's eye view of your entire product portfolio. You can see which products are profitable, which ones are not so profitable. You can also look at the outliers in your portfolio and so on. If you want to see the chart excluding the outliers, you can do that as well. This particular product is an outlier. It has the highest number of sales and perhaps the most profitable one as well. If I want to exclude it from the view, I can just select this product, hover my mouse on top of it, and it will give me an option to exclude. Now I have the chart excluding that particular product. Basically, what Tableau has done is that when I clicked on exclude, Tableau has put a filter which on product name field in a way that it excludes that particular product. Also, you can break down your portfolio into 4 quadrants or segments to see which particular group of products are doing well and which group of products are doing not so well. To do that, I'll go to the x-axis. Also, to fit the chart as we reviewed in the, I think, previous lecture, maybe it was lecture 7 or 8, I can click on the entire view and it will fit the chart to the entire canvas. Now, in order to break my portfolio down into 4 segments, I can first add a reference line on the x-axis. I'll take average. So basically, it will add a reference line on an average point on the sales axis. I'll click on OK. And then I'll add the same on the profit as well. So with that, you can see that the products on the top right quadrant, they are profitable as well as they have good sales. Whereas the products in the bottom right quadrant are the ones that have very low sales and are also loss-making. Again, if this chart sounds a bit complicated because we have so many products in there, I can just go and select subcategory. Maybe that will make more sense. You can see that these particular categories are performing well. They have high sales and high profit, whereas categories in the lower left quadrant have low sales as well as very low profit. Keep in mind that The product filter is still there. We excluded one product, which was kind of an outlier. If I want to undo it, I can just simply drag it out of the filters card. So I hope it gave you a good understanding of these scatter plots, and I will see you in the next video.